Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I customize my Gatorade bottles. So let's get started. And for this tutorial, we will need our labels, our self-laminating sheets, our Gatorade, double-sided tape, and our scissors. And the first thing we're going to do is cut out our labels. Next, we're going to get our template in our self-laminating sheet. Remove the backing from the self-laminating sheet and place it flat down with the sticky side up. The little ones are for the mini Gatorades, and the bigger one is for the 20-ounce Gatorade bottles. So we're going to line our label onto our laminate. And remember to leave about 1/4 of an inch around your label. And you can take your scraper or a card and just scrape lightly across the back, because we don't want any air bubbles in our label. Now we're going to cut out our labels with the laminate. Next, we're going to take our double-sided tape and put it on both sides of the larger labels and one side of the mini labels. Next, we're going to grab our Gatorade and remove the original label. Take our label and we're going to wrap it around our Gatorade. And I'm going to remove the double-sided piece of tape. Now let's do the bigger bottles. Remove the original wrapping. And since you've made it this far, I will have the template for free on my blog. Just check the pinned comment for the link. Because this wrapper is kind of thick, number one, I would recommend using regular print paper. And number two, we're going to put double-sided tape on both ends. See how much better this one look when we double-sided both ends. And there we have it, our beautiful custom Gatorade bottles. And thanks for watching. If you found my video helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And for more videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay ambitious!